This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Trane expands key R290 heat pump portfolio with 125 kilowatt modular and 230 kilowatt packaged units. By Michael Gary. Published March 10, 2026. Global HVAC manufacturer Trane, a subsidiary of Ireland-based Trane Technologies, has expanded its propane air-to-water heat pump portfolio with the launch of Flex NHP, an up to 125 kilowatts, 35.5 tons, modular unit, and Aries NHP, an up to 230 kilowatts, 65.4 tons, package solution. Safety features on the new products include ATEX certified leak management systems, relief valves, and an optional gas-water separator. Both units will be manufactured at Trane Technologies' European factory in Charmes, France, and sold across Europe, the Middle East, Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. Flex NHP and Aries NHP reflect our long-standing dedication to solutions built around real-world customer needs, said Eric van Oosenen, product management leader at Trane. These platforms show how we continue to expand high-efficiency, low-carbon options for commercial and industrial customers. The manufacturer entered the R290 heat pump market in February 2024 with the launch of the Trane Leaf, an air-to-water unit designed for residential and light commercial applications. Trane Leaf provides heating, cooling, and hot water production with capacities ranging from 8 to 30 kilowatts, 2.3 to 8.5 tons of refrigeration. An optional modularity kit allows combining up to 4 units. Flex NHP, the modular unit with full inverter scroll technology, offers efficient operation across varying loads, according to Trane. It achieves SCOPS of up to 4.5 in typical operating conditions. The modularity allows combining up to 6 units to support heating capacities greater than 700 kilowatts, 199 tons of refrigeration. Each refrigerant circuit contains less than 5 kilograms of propane. When multiple modules are installed, an optional safety interlock kit shuts down nearby units in the event of a leak. Flex NHP produces outlet temperatures as high as 77 degrees Celsius, 171 degrees Fahrenheit, in ambient conditions as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Aries NHP, the package solution, features a double-circuit configuration using scroll compressor technology. It achieves an SCOP of up to 4.3 in typical operating conditions, according to Trane. It produces outlet temperatures as high as 75 degrees Celsius, 167 degrees Fahrenheit, in ambient conditions as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius. Aries NHP's design, layout, and dimensions align closely with traditional HFC-based units, simplifying the retrofit process for customers upgrading existing systems, Trane said. Transport innovation. Thermo King, a brand of Trane Technologies, has developed a prototype of a propane maritime shipping container, reefer, with a Costa Rican fruit producer to validate the proof of concept in June 2026. The prototype was developed in collaboration with GIZ, German Society for International Cooperation, as a proof of concept for R290 reefers. The direct expansion architecture of the R290 reefer features a variable speed compressor with vapor injection through an economizer, said Santiago Martinez, laboratory manager and core refrigeration lead at Thermo King, in a presentation at the Atmo Max Summit 2025 x TU Berlin. The event, hosted by Atmosphere and Technische Universität, TU, Berlin's Department of Heat Transfer and Heat Conversion, took place September 23rd to 24th. Atmosphere is the publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com. Simulations conducted by the Universitat Politecnica de Valencia show promising results, Martinez noted, adding that at 30 Hz, the R290 prototype cuts power consumption by 7% compared to the company's R134 AE container fresh and frozen reefer. Quotable: building owners are demanding solutions that lower their operating costs and carbon footprint while ensuring safe, robust, year-round performance, said van Oosenen. With the addition of these units, Trane becomes the only manufacturer to offer a full lineup of R290 systems spanning heat pump and chiller segments, giving customers unmatched choice and flexibility across all applications.